What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Back in Canada. It's my time to shine. Searching for pike in Canada. So happy. It was an interesting ride up. Lost a wheel off of my uncle's boat trailer, but we're here, we're safe, and it's time to see what the pike are doing. It's overcast, about 60 degrees, barely any wind, perfect fishing situation for day one. Stick with me, stay tuned, and let's get them. All right, we're out here, we're doing it. This year I'm with my fishing buddy Arnie. My dad didn't want to come out this year, but so this is the first time Arnie and I are going to fish together. He's a fellow piker, so I'm hoping I can catch him catching a monster as well this year. You know we will, so let's get right down to business. If we cast out this way, Arnie, there's a hump, and they usually sit within that hump, and so you kind of drift across it and bounce whatever you're doing across there for walleye. And if you get bored of that, along this shoreline there's smallies, there's pike. It's yeah. But we don't know what the walleye are doing right now, so let's figure them out. I want to try those freaking mealworms Stevie gave me. I got some mealworms to tip your walleye setup with. These bad boys. These might be a hack, dude. Cool. These might get us without minnows. If these can get us walleye, I'm all for it. So I'm gonna try one of these on my jig and see what happens. I think we're dry. Shut her down so we don't burn the pump out. All right. Is it showing water depth by any chance?
No.
I don't know what that's about. That's messed up though. We kind of want to see that.
Well, when we go in, we can talk to the guy and say,
Yeah.
Maybe we don't know how to use it.
Well, we know how to use it. You push the buttons to tell it.
What I mean, maybe there's something we don't know.
There's a setting that needs to be adjusted or something. It's possible. The thing with these is, how do you get them to stay on the hook? Well, I guess if you just hook it through, once the water hits it, it'll get it all pliable, you know? Oh, sorry. I don't know if I like this jig that's on here either. These are, the guy was like, oh, these are the only dart head jigs we have, and they're not the typical brand I use, but I have those as well, so we'll see. All right. Cast number one. It is. Ooh, I think I might have just got a ding. Unless that was the rock edge. There's like a rock, like a rock mountain. So it's like when you go this way far enough, you got to be careful coming up it. There's like a snaggy edge on it, but at the same time you want to go past it and drift, because this is kind of where they're sitting, you know. Feeling we're gonna need minnows though to really find them. We'll see. Hello, eagle. There were some youngins posted up here last year. That's probably the same ones, you know. Getting a little older and wiser. Beautiful, man. Oh, I caught the snag, dude. Alright, well now I know where that is. That was probably whatever was jumping there, dude. That's a pike for sure, bro. And I'm snagged. God bless it. Oh, caught a weed fish. I did. How did you end up with that? I lost my jig already. Well, that's good though, in a sense, because I was saying there's a rock ledge. I just found it, so now I kind of know where we are, which is good. I'm gonna re-rig. All right, here we go.
I'll bring him around.
Freaking Arnie, man. That didn't take long, right? What is it? It's a pike. All right. Arnie the piker. He's got his first pike on. They like that little white flappy. When I saw that jump, I had a feeling, dude. You know? It's nothing special, but hey, we're breaking the ice already, bro. Breaking the ice already.
Okay.
You got pliers? Or you
I
want...
do.
All right, cool. All right, folks. Fish number
It
one.
was off.
It's a little snake, but hey, you know what? We broke the ice already. That's a beautiful thing. All right, fish number one of the
If we were
trip.
keeping them, that would be.
I'd say that's probably 22. A little bigger than that. But hey, that's fish number one, folks.
Okay, goodbye.
See you later, alligator. Sweet. Way to get the skunk off the boat, Arnie. Good job. All right, we see you. We see you. He's already yelling at us. Give me one of them. Come on. Yeah, but that's a good thing. It gives us.
For northern.
Yeah, it gives them some structure to sit in. The eagle's begging you to give him that fish. He sees you catching it, Arnie. Oh, he's a decent, that would be an eater right there, bro. That's at least 24. He might be a little bigger than 24. Oh, he's not ready. No, it's out that way, so you're good. That looks like a perfect eater size pike right there, bro.
I know Steve wants to take some home.
Yeah, but we don't need to do that yet, you know?
No.
Because we know if they're biting like this, we've been out here, what, a half hour, if that, and we've already caught 3 pike in the eater kind of range. So it's like,
I'm not saying we should take them now.
oh, that's a nice one. It's probably a 24, man. Nice work.
Okay, thank you.
All right, baby. It's a thick one. Yeah, that's at least 24. That might even be 26, dude.
26. We spread the tail.
Pinch the tail. Yeah, he's almost, yep, he's about 26, man.
Keep him or throw him down.
He's not bleeding, dude. I wonder if he's all right. It took a little while to get the hooks out of him. So I don't know if he just needs to recover. He's not really moving much. Let's see what happens. See if I can resuscitate him. If not, might keep him just so we're not wasting him, you know? Hell yeah, we got him back to life.
Look what came out of them.
What is that?
It can't be eggs this time of year.
What is it though? It might be some kind of eggs. Not maybe not fish eggs, but something. Oop, I've got something biting. It feels like it might be a walleye, dude. It might be a walleye. I knew we come out a little further, bro. First walleye of the trip. It's not big, but it's a walleye.
Whoa.
You're good. You're good.
Oh.
Yeah, dude.
Well, we don't know how many we're going to get, so we may as well keep it.
Well, we'll see. I mean, he might be. If he's under 14, I say no. But hey, dude, I told you we move out a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. All right, folks. First walleye of the trip without minnows. Look at that. Oh, not yet 14. He's close though, dude. What do you think?
I'd say we don't know how many we're going to get. We should keep them.
All right. I'm down then. The little ones are tasty too, man. Huh? Yep. Hell yeah, bro. Walleye number one. We're dialed in, folks. We've caught pike and walleye in the first hour. What more do you want?
Enough to eat.
Oh, we're gonna get enough to eat. I'm gonna start nailing them. I'm gonna catch my limit, and then I can dick around doing whatever else I want after that. All right, well, the mealworm trailer on my tube jig is working. This is a little science project idea my Uncle Stevie came up with. We saw him and hey, it works. Now I want to see an 18 eat it. Turn them on too, man. You got a little drizzle. It's nothing serious yet. Got one. That feels bigger than the other one.
You got one?
Yeah. It feels bigger than the last one I caught. Oh yeah, dude. That's eater quality right there. Hit the net. Hell yeah, bro. That's a 16, 16 maybe? That's a 16. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. We're getting closer to dinner. Oh, sorry. Getting closer to dinner, bro. That's an eater.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, dude. As soon as that little rain came in. It's 14 and a half. But right now, that's the nicest walleye we've seen so far. I mean, that's eating. In my book, right? You gotta start somewhere. Yeah. try it from like different angles. There we go.
Okay.
Yep. I fishing Des Plaines River as long as I have made me an expert at getting freaking snags out, dude. And that's in timber most of the time. Rocks are way easier with that pluck, because it like sends a ripple down your line and flips the hook out from the rock, you know. If it works, baby. All right, I got another one. Yeah. I can flip them, I think. I got him. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, it's big enough.
Might be. I'm starting to wonder if I should start letting these go, though.
Well, we want to eat, so.
No, I know, but if I can, you know, we got a lot of day left. If I can catch a 16, it'll be more meat than that. Let me see this. Probably close to 14 again. Yeah, that's another 14 incher. I think I
If we get
can.
enough of them, we can stop fishing for walleye.
No, I know, but I can only keep 4, and if I keep 4 14ers.
Well, I can keep 2 because I got a conservation.
I don't know.
We can
I think
always.
I'm just thinking about if I can do better. Yeah, we'll see. I'll put them in here for now. I got one. Oh, that's an eater. Yeah, buddy.
Whoa.
Maybe small. We'll see. Looks about 14 again. Yeah, maybe 12. Might be a little small, dude.
Looks like there's a leech on them.
13. But I already have 3 14s. Yeah, buddy.